In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a conversion with Grok AI. By the end, you'll feel confident opening Grok and getting a helpful, natural chat going, whether you're after quick facts, creative ideas, or just want to say hello and see what it can do. First, open your favorite web browser and head to grok.com. You can do this on a computer, tablet, or phone, whatever you prefer. When the page loads, you'll see a clean interface designed for chatting. If you're new to AI tools, don't worry, you don't need special commands or technical jargon here. Grok is built to understand plain everyday language, so you can jump right in as if you were messaging a helpful colleague. Now, click into the chat box and type your first message. You have two simple options. Ask about anything you want to know, or keep it casual and just say hi. If you have a specific question, be as clear as you can. For example, instead of marketing tips, try what are 3 beginner-friendly marketing ideas for a small online candle shop. That extra detail helps Grok deliver a focused, useful answer faster. If you're exploring, a friendly opener like, "Hey Grok, can you help me plan a weekend trip to a nearby city?" works great too. You can even mention your preferences, like budget, time frame, or style, right in that first message. When you're ready, press enter or tap the send button. Grok will respond in context, and it may ask a clarifying follow-up to fine-tune the result. You can simply reply in the same box. No need to restate everything. If the answer isn't quite what you had in mind, guide it by adding a short note such as, "Make it more concise, use bullet points," or "Explain it like I'm new to this." You can also ask for examples, comparisons, or a step-by-step breakdown to deepen your understanding. A quick tip: avoid sharing private information like passwords, account numbers, or anything you wouldn't post publicly. Keep your prompts descriptive, but safe. If you want sources, just ask Grok to cite or summarize them. And if you prefer a certain tone, formal, friendly, or playful, mention that too. That's all there is to it. Head to grok.com, then type what you're curious about, or simply say hi. From there, follow the flow of the chat. Start simple, refine your request as you go, and let Grok help you get clear, useful answers quickly. Happy chatting!